In this video, we are going to be sending 21,000 people message. Let's start by buying SMTP that can send up to 21,000 people message every day. In order to break this down, how to achieve 21,000 messages, you have to set delay on your email sender. We are going in there, but what I want to show you, when you're on the email world, we are going to buy SMTP first of all. Go to SMTP page, okay? When you're in our SMTP page, we are going to buy this monthly contract. Okay, this is 1 month subscription, $50, and this can send us 21,000 people message every day. So I'm going to buy this SMTP. Okay, I'm buying it right now. We have successfully ordered the SMTP. So what you are seeing here, you can see our SMTP are in progress now. But because I have purchased before, we have the SMTP they have delivered. If you want to see your SMTP, you click go to SMTP manager button. This is going to take you to email sender direct, where we are going to be sending those people message using our SMTP. Okay, you can see the SMTP fully configured here. This is a domain SMTP build with VPS for unlimited, but on the server we configure it to be able to send 15 people message every minute times, and then if you are sending one message sent out every second times 15 is 1 minute. Okay, so that you can be able to manage to get it to send 21,000 people message. It's not just like you click one button and spread your message across all 21,000. Don't do that. Your message will end up in spam and mixing or disappearing. So the right way to do this is you have to be extracting lead. We're also going to use the same website to do this job. On this email sender, you can upload the email direct from your computer. To do that, just click add list. Then you have to find the file on your computer, the file that you add your email, that hold your email list. This accept CSV file. Then go ahead and upload it. Then after you do that, you can go ahead and name your file if you want. I will name this one, let's say testing 5. Okay, then I'm going to upload the list. Our list is uploaded right now. Next thing, I'm also going to show you how you can scrape fresh lead and still use your SMTP to send these people message. But before that, let's wait until our email finish uploading. Here we have test 5 here. If you want to view your email list, you click view this list. So the system is going to show you the list and automatically find first name on your email list. Even if your email don't have first name on it, don't worry, this website can find first name on your email. Okay, now we have our email list. You can go ahead and click send campaign in order to compose your message. Okay, there's many ways to compose message. To write a good message, I recommend using ChatGPT. If you know the type of service, job, or whatever you want to do with people, make sure you use ChatGPT. In this video, I'm just going to test it out and say hello. And here we also have something called our first name. Make sure when you're sending message, you are using this tag here. Copy this tag first name, copy it as it is here. Just copy the tag, first name tag. You can see it here. You can copy it and drop it after your hello, or you can drop it any position you want and send your message. Reply to help you receive message when these people want to respond to you. Okay, for next step here, you can test your message. When you click this test message, so the message is going to send. It's also good for you to test your message to know where your message is delivering. I have sent test to myself, which I can always check fast on my inbox. Okay, let me open my inbox so that we can check where, if our message come to inbox. You can see here, and you can hear on my background notification on my phone, this message come direct to inbox. You can see it here, testing. Okay, you can see it here, and it calls me by name. Hello Solomon. Solomon is my name on the testing because we add testing. Okay, so we're going back. So next thing you have to set is limit. If you click this limit here, 4 seconds, every 4 seconds message we send out from our server, and that give you accurate of 900 message sending per hour. Okay, and that is total of 21,000 message per a day, per 24 hours. You can upload your email and click send, and the system will take care of sending your message for you. all you have to do is just keep the window open because it's a web application. So to send this 50 people message, all you have to do after you compose your message, you just click start sending messages. And you can see here, every 4 seconds, the system is going to be dropping our message one after another. Okay, now let's move on to email sender. Can you really extract uh, email addresses on this website and also send a message? The answer is yes. I'm going to pause this sending. Okay, I have closed the sending. Let's go to email extractor. There's a page called email extractor here. So this helps you to target any kind of customers, clients, people you want to work with. This work in any form of business. I'm just guessing, let's say you are in business of investment, any type of business you are into, any product you are trying to sell or promote. Let's say I'm trying to sell shoe to shoe lovers. All you have to do when you come here, you can find on these tags here, but if you want to speed some things up, you have to search for what you're targeting. I'm going to do, let's say, do shoe lovers. Okay, so this give you shoe lovers. You can select any card on that. After you select card, how many email do you want to I have 5,000 daily limit. I can extract more than 5,000 daily limit as a pro member. As you see, I'm a pro here. Pro will cost you only $20 to be a pro member on email extractor. So I'm going to target 100 people right now for the sake of the video. I don't want the video to be more longer, so go ahead and click continue. I'm going to find these people on Facebook and on Instagram only, and I'm going to click start. Okay, now if you are email word user and you are struggling to download your email after you extracting those email addresses, is because you are using free account. As you guys can see, our email extractor have started collecting us contact information of people we are targeting. So in order for you to be able to download the lead or copy the lead or send those people message, you have to subscribe as a pro, which is $20. It's open for free, yes, but you have problem using free account. You can't download emails after you extract them. So you can't download email after you extracted them. That's a disadvantage of you being a free member. You can extract it, but downloading it you can't until you subscribe $20 per month. So this $20 can get you up to 150,000 email every month. And if you want to speed some things up, you can go to VIP. VIP allow you to script 10,000 emails every day, 10,000. And our email have finished extracting. We have get 100 people. As I type 100 people is people I'm targeting on Facebook and Instagram. As you can see, their emails here. Next thing you can do here, I can copy. Yes, I can download the file, so that I will show you how the file look like. Now I can download, and when I open the download section, I can open the file on my notepad, and you can see it here, very clean, first name and the email list. Okay, and those file I download, I can go and send it to my email sender direct, or if I want to speed things up to myself, I just click send campaign here, and you can see that my hello message is still here. Any message you compose is going to save automatic and help you to send message. Once I click start sending campaign again, the message will start sending to these people. That is the way you can run email word. Email word is a website that combine all email marketing tools. You can script, you can validate, you can send, you can do a lot of things on email word here. You'll be wondering if email word really accept you to pay or to run any transaction like bank transfer or crypto. Yes, so on our deposit page here, you can see that we accept Nigeria bank transfer, USDT, Momo for Ghana payment. We have BTC and Theta. So we also have Flutterwave, but we are trying to verify some things with the company so that we can accept all type of payment is coming soon. Okay, so go and give it a try. If you click this, let's see, if you're from Nigeria, if you click this Nigeria bank transfer, you can see our things here, and you can enter any amount you enter here. Let's say you want to subscribe for the Pro, let's say, or you want to buy SMTP. SMTP is $50. $50 can go like something like 80,000 naira. So you see here I have $53. Once you type any amount, you're going to see the rate here. It's going to convert automatic, so that we see amount that we fund on your wallet. When you make the payment, upload the screenshot and submit the review, then we approve it. Okay, sometimes system will do the job for you. You can see all my past payments here. Approve, approve, approve. Don't want anyone to engage with maybe fake payment. If you try that, your account might be get suspended, so don't do that.